Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we will continue the polar coordinates topic. So next section is angle between two curves or angle of intersection of two curves. Okay. Let r equals to f1 of theta and r equals to f2 of theta are the given two curves. Then angle between two curves or angle of intersection of the two curves is given by alpha equals to mod of phi 1 minus phi 2, or so it means that either it is phi 1 minus phi 2 or phi 2 minus phi 1, because it is angle we have to take positive only. Therefore here we have used mod of phi 1 minus phi 2. Okay, so by using this we can find the angle between given two curves. Next problems. Find angle between the following curves at their point of interaction. Okay, first one, r equals to sin theta plus cos theta, and second curve is r equals to 2 sin theta. Okay, first we have to find the phi 1 and phi 2, that is angle made by the tangent in the first curve, and for phi 2 angle made by the tangent and second curve. Okay, solution. First we consider first curve, r equals to sin theta plus cos theta. Okay, differentiating we get dr divided by d theta equals to, so differentiation of sin theta is cos theta differentiation minus sin theta. Now taking reciprocal we get d theta divided by dr equals to 1 divided by cos theta minus sin theta. Okay, so now we have the formula for angle between tangent and the curve is tan of phi 1, because it is first curve we represent it by tan of phi 1 equals to r d theta divided by dr, which is equals to, substitute r value here, sin theta plus cos theta, and divided by d theta by dr value is 1 by cos theta minus sin theta. Now dividing both numerator and denominator by cos theta, we get tan phi 1 equals to sin theta by cos theta equals to 1 plus cos by cos equals to, sin theta by cos theta equals to tan theta plus cos by cos equals to 1 divided by cos by cos equals to 1 minus sin by cos theta is equals to, we get tan theta, or this can be written as 1 plus tan theta divided by 1 minus tan theta. We know that 1 plus tan theta 1 minus tan theta is equals to tan of pi by 4 plus theta. Okay, so here tan of phi 1, so which implies that we get phi 1 equals to this pi by 4 plus theta. So this is the phi 1 value. Similarly we find out the that is phi 2 value for the second curve. So second curve is r equals to 2 sin theta. Okay, so let us consider second curve, r equals to 2 sin theta. Now differentiating this one with respect to theta, we get d theta divided by dr is equals to 2 cos theta. Okay, so now taking reciprocal, d theta by dr value equals to 1 by 2 cos theta. Therefore tan of phi 2 equals to r d theta divided by dr equals to, r value is 2 sin theta divided by 2, that is d theta by dr value is equals to r cos theta. 2 to get cancels, we get tan theta. So therefore tan of phi 2 is equals to tan theta, which is equals to, we get phi 2 is equals to theta. Now we have the angle between two curves. Angle between two curves is equals to mod of phi 1 minus phi 2, which is equals to mod of phi 1 value is pi by 4 plus theta minus phi 2 value is theta. So simplifying we get pi by 4. So this is the required angle between two curves or angle of intersection of the two curves. Okay. Second problem, r equals to a log theta and second curve is r equals to a divided by log theta. Okay. First we shall find the phi 1 and phi 2. Okay. Solution. R equals to, first let us consider first curve, r equals to a log theta. Differentiating this we get dr divided by d theta equals to a, as it is log theta differentiation 1 by theta, that is a by theta. Now taking reciprocal we get d theta divided by dr equals to theta divided by a. Therefore tan phi 1 value is equals to r d theta divided by dr. Now substituting r value we get a log theta divided into d theta by dr value theta by a get cancels, we get theta into log theta. So you can observe that tan phi 1 is equals to, we got theta log theta. Now phi 1 can be written as tan inverse of theta log theta. Okay. So similarly for second curve we find the phi 2 value. Second curve is given by r equals to a divided by log theta. So again differentiating this with respect to theta we get dr divided by d theta is equals to a being constant 1 by log theta. So it is in the form of 1 by x, therefore its differentiation is minus 1 divided by log theta whole square, because 1 by x differentiation is minus 1 by x square into, we have to write the log theta differentiation here. Log theta differentiation is 1 by theta. Okay. So we get dr divided by d theta is equals to minus a divided by theta log theta whole square. So taking reciprocal of this one we get d theta divided by dr equals to minus theta into log theta whole square divided by a. Okay. So next, therefore tan phi 2 value is equals to r d theta divided by dr equals to r value is equals to a divided by log theta into d theta by dr value is minus theta log theta whole square divided by a. A get cancels, we get, and one term of log get cancels, we get minus theta into log theta. Okay. So this is tan phi 2 value. Therefore phi 2 can be written as tan inverse of minus theta log theta. We know that tan inverse of minus theta equals to minus tan inverse theta. Therefore it is equals to minus tan inverse of theta log theta. So this is phi 2 value. Next we have the angle between two curves is, it is equals to mod phi 1 minus phi 2. So therefore it is equals to phi 1 value is tan inverse of theta log theta minus into minus we get plus tan inverse of theta log theta. So you can observe that we got two terms, therefore it can be written as 2 tan inverse of theta log theta. Okay. Now here we have to remove this theta term because it contains theta terms. So in order to get the angle between two curves we have to remove this theta terms. For that we consider given two curves, there we eliminate theta, that means we find out the theta value and we substitute here. Okay. For that consider, so like this, wherever you get the theta terms in the angle between two curves, we have to eliminate that by using the given curves. Okay, so therefore now consider given curves. So before that you consider this as equation 1. So given curves are r equals to a log theta and r equals to a divided by log theta. We can observe that RHS side is equal, therefore we can equate the LHS side, that is equating two curves, we get a equals to log theta equals to a divided by log theta. Okay, a get cancels, we get log theta into log theta is equals to log theta whole square equals to 1, or we get this log theta is equals to square, sending the square to this side, we get root 1 which is equals to 1. Therefore taking log on both sides, that is taking anti-log, we get theta is equals to this log, sending this log to this side, we get e raised to 1 which is equals to theta value is equals to e. Now we substitute this theta value in the equation 1, that is angle between the two curves. Okay, so consider this as equation 2. Therefore equation 1 becomes, equation 1 is angle between two curves is equals to 2 tan inverse of theta log theta. So theta value is e into log of e. So we know that log e value equals to 1, therefore we get simply e. So tan inverse, 2 tan inverse of theta is equals to, we have tan inverse of 2 theta divided by 1 minus theta square which is equals to e square. Here we write log e value equals to 1. So therefore angle between two curves is tan inverse of 2e divided by 1 minus e square. Okay, so like this we have to remove the theta from by using given two curves. Okay, next r equals to a at r equals to 2a cos theta. Okay, solution. First consider first curve. Consider r equals to a, differentiating this one with respect to theta, we get dr divided by d theta is equals to 0. That means d theta divided by dr, taking reciprocal, we get 1 by 0 equals to infinity. Okay, therefore tan of phi 1 is equals to r into d theta divided by dr which is equals to, we get infinity. So which implies that phi 1 value is equals to tan inverse of infinity which is equals to, we get pi by 2. Thus phi 1 value is equals to pi by 2. Now consider second curve, r equals to 2a cos theta. Differentiating, we get dr divided by d theta is equals to 2a cos theta differentiation minus sin theta. Okay, so therefore taking reciprocal, that is d theta divided by dr equals to, we get minus 1 divided by 2a sin theta. Therefore tan phi 2 value equals to r into d theta divided by dr which is equals to r value 2a cos theta divided by d theta by dr value minus 1 divided by, so into minus 1 divided by 2a sin theta. 2a get cancels, we get minus cos by sin equals to minus cos theta. So which can be written as in terms of tan is equals to tan of pi by 2 plus theta. Okay, so thus tan phi 2 value is equals to tan of pi by 2 plus theta, which implies that phi 2 equals to pi by 2 plus theta. Okay. Now we find the angle between two curves. Therefore, angle between two curves is equals to phi 2 minus phi 1, which is equals to pi by 2 plus theta minus phi 1 value is equals to minus pi by 2. Plus pi by 2 minus pi by 2 get cancels, we get theta. Again we got angle between in terms of theta. Therefore we have to remove this theta. We have to find the value of angle between two curves in terms of another form. Okay, therefore we eliminate this theta by given two curves. That is, consider this as equation 1. Next we eliminating theta between given equation. We have the given curve is equals to r is equals to, first curve is a and second r equals to 2a cos theta. So equating r we get a equals to 2a cos theta. So a get cancels, we get cos theta is equals to, so sending this to this side we get 1 by 2. So that is theta is equals to, we get cos inverse of 1 by 2. So cos inverse of 1 by 2 is equals to, we get theta is equals to pi by 3. So this is the theta value because cos inverse of 1 by 2 is pi by 3. Therefore substituting this theta value into equation 1, we get equation 1 implies angle between two curves equals to theta, which is equals to pi by 3. Okay. Next problem, r equals to a 1 plus sin theta and r equals to a 1 minus sin theta. First let us consider first curve, r equals to a 1 plus sin theta. Differentiating with respect to theta, we get dr divided by d theta is equals to a, 1 differentiation 0, sin theta differentiation cos theta, so that we get a cos theta. So taking reciprocal, we get d theta divided by dr equals to 1 divided by a cos theta. Therefore tan phi 1 is equals to, we get r into d theta divided by dr equals to r value a into 1 plus sin theta into d theta by dr value is equals to 1 divided by a cos theta. A get cancels, we get tan of phi 1 equals to 1 plus sin theta divided by cos theta. Okay, so or this phi 1 equals to tan inverse of 1 plus sin theta divided by cos theta. Okay, now again consider second curve, r equals to a 1 minus sin theta. Differentiating, we get dr by d theta is equals to a into 1 minus sin theta differentiation cos theta. Therefore we get minus a cos theta. Taking reciprocal, we get d theta divided by dr equals to 1 divided by, so that is minus 1 divided by a cos theta. Okay, so therefore tan of phi 2 equals to r into d theta divided by dr equals to, r value is equals to a into 1 minus sin theta divided into d theta by dr value is equals to minus 1 divided by a cos theta. A get cancels, we get minus 1 minus sin theta. Okay, now simplifying this one, we get, so that is phi 1 equals to phi 2 equals to, so we get sin theta minus 1 minus sin theta. So this is tan of phi 2 value. Okay, therefore phi 2 is equals to tan inverse of minus 1 minus sin theta, which is equals to minus tan inverse of 1 minus sin theta. Okay, therefore angle between two curves equals to tan inverse of phi 1 value is equals to, we have tan inverse of 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. Sorry, here we have 1 minus cos theta divided by cos theta divided by cos theta. Even here also divided by cos theta divided by cos theta. Okay, so tan inverse of phi 1 value is equals to, we have 1 plus sin theta into cos theta. So here minus into minus we get plus tan inverse of 1 minus sin theta divided by cos theta. Okay, so this is angle between two curves. Now applying tan inverse of A plus tan inverse of B formula, we get angle between two curves equals to so applying formula tan inverse of A plus tan inverse B, we get tan inverse of A plus B. A means it is 1 plus sin theta divided by cos theta, plus B means 1 minus sin theta divided by cos theta, whole divided by 1 minus A into B. So A value is 1 plus sin theta divided by cos theta into 1 minus sin theta divided by cos theta. Okay, so simplifying we get 1 plus sin theta. So taking LCM cos theta, we get tan inverse of, numerator we get cos theta, as a LCM we get 1 plus sin theta plus 1 minus sin theta. Sin theta get cancelled. Denominator becomes 1 minus bracket A plus B bracket A minus B formula. It is 1 square minus sin square. 1 square minus sin square divided by theta. Sorry, divided by cos into cos, we get cos square theta. So further simplifying we get tan inverse of, numerator becomes, here it becomes 1 plus 1 equals to 2 divided by cos theta, but denominator equals to 1 minus sin square theta equals to, it is cos square theta. Denominator also we have cos square theta. Cos square get cancels, we get 1 minus 1 equals to 0, which is equals to tan inverse of, we get 2 by cos theta divided by 1 minus 0. Okay, cos 1 minus 1 equals to 0. So here anything divided by 0 equals to, we get infinity. That is, we get tan inverse of infinity, which is equals to, tan inverse of infinity means it is pi by 2. Thus the angle between two curves is pi by 2. Okay, so therefore angle between given curves is equals to pi by 2. Next question, show that the curve R equals to B cuts the curve R square equals to A square cos 2 theta plus B square at an angle tan inverse of A square divided by B square. So it means that this curve this curve means, so we have to find angle between two curves, that is angle of intersection. We have to find the angle of intersection, and that is equals to, we have to show that angle of intersection between these two curves equals to tan inverse of A square divided by B square. For this, first we consider first curve, that is solution. Given curves are R equals to B and R square equals to A square cos 2 theta plus B square. Okay, now first consider first curve, because we have to find phi 1 value. Consider R equals to B. Differentiating we get dr divided by d theta is equals to B, differentiation of B is equals to 0 because it is constant. Taking reciprocal, d theta by dr equals to, it is 1 by 0 which is equals to infinity. Therefore tan phi 1 equals to r into d theta divided by dr equals to 1 by r into infinity equals to, we get simply it is infinity. Therefore phi 1 equals to tan inverse of infinity which is equals to pi by 2. Thus we got phi 1 value equals to pi by 2. Okay. Next we now consider second curve. Second curve is r square equals to a square cos 2 theta plus b square. Now differentiating this one, we get r square differentiation 2r dr divided by d theta equals to a square constant cos theta differentiation minus sin 2 theta into 2 plus b square differentiation 0. So 2 get cancels. We get dr by d theta, r into dr by d theta is equals to, we get minus 1 divided by a square sin 2 theta. Okay, or sorry, this is taking reciprocal, we get 1 by r d theta divided by dr. So taking reciprocal, 1 by r d theta by dr is equals to minus 1 divided by a square sin 2 theta. So that is d theta divided by dr is equals to, send this r to this side, we get minus r a square sin 2 theta. Okay. Now therefore tan of phi 2 value equals to, tan phi 2 is equals to r d theta by dr which is equals to, we get r as it is. So substituting d theta by dr value is equals to minus r divided by a square into sin 2 theta. R into r is equals to, we get r square. Therefore substituting r square value, right here, r square equals to a square sin 2 theta. Therefore tan phi 2 is equals to, r square value is equals to a square cos 2 theta plus b square, denominator a square sin 2 theta. Okay. Now eliminating theta, between given curves, that is we have given curves equals to r equals to b and r square equals to a square cos 2 theta plus b square. Okay. So thus eliminating b we get, so this implies that substituting r equals to b into in this one, we get, okay, or squaring here first curve, we get r square equals to b square. So RHS equals to, LHS equals to the same, therefore we can equate the RHS. Therefore equating both equation, we get b square equals to a square cos 2 theta plus b square, or we get b square, take all these terms to this side, we get a square cos 2 theta minus b square equals to 0, plus b square minus b square cancels, we get a square cos 2 theta equals to 0, or cos 2 theta equals to 0. Okay. Therefore we get cos of 2 theta is equals to cos inverse of 0 which is equals to pi by 2. Thus theta value is equals to pi by 2 into, sending this side, we get into 1 by 2 which is equals to pi by 4. Thus theta value is equals to pi by 4. Now substituting this theta is equals to pi by 4 into tan phi 2 value. Therefore we get tan of phi 2 is equals to, we get minus a square cos of 2 theta. 2 theta means cos of 2 into pi by 4 plus b square divided by a square sin of 2 into pi by 4. Okay. So this tan phi by 2 at theta is equals to pi by 4. Okay. We are substituting theta is equals to pi by 4. we get a square cos of pi by 2. 2 to get cancels, cos of pi by 2 is equals to 0 plus b square divided by a square sin of pi by 2, which is equals to 1. We get minus b square divided by a square. Thus tan of phi 2 is equals to minus b square divided by a square, which implies that phi 2 is equals to tan inverse of minus b square divided by a square, which can be written as minus tan inverse of b square divided by a square. Okay. Therefore, phi 2 is equals to, we get tan inverse of b square divided by a square. Thus, angle between two curves equals to mod of phi 1 minus phi 2, or it is equals to phi 2 minus phi 1. So, considering we get phi 1 minus phi 2, phi 1 value is equals to pi by 2 minus into minus, we get plus tan inverse of b square divided by a square. We know that pi by 2 plus tan inverse of theta is equals to cot inverse of theta. So, which is equals to cot inverse of b square divided by a square. So, transforming it into tan inverse, we get tan inverse of a square divided by b square, because here cot inverse of x can be written as tan inverse of 1 by x. So, therefore, taking reciprocal of this one, we get a square divided by b square. So, hence the proof. Therefore, angle between given curves is equals to tan inverse of a square divided by b square. So, which is the proof.